This is for Amy.
You ready?
Yep. Wow. That's with only 60 pounds of boiler pressure. It went down to about 50.
Now you got a breast.
Yep. Do it one more time for Amy.
Ready, get set?
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, she starts to shriek when you get her up. When you the more open the valve is, the more steam you got going through it, then she starts to shriek.
Yeah. Well, it only needs to be open about a quarter of a turn, I guess you'd say.
Awesome.
All right.
I'm gonna get a picture too, can I?
Now,
You
see,
okay?
I opened it full bore.
I saw that.
And you notice it didn't shriek as much.
Okay.
Hang on, let's see. Let me back it off.
So we've been adjusting the whistles up on top to get the tone right.